Hey guys, this is my 2002 ZX7R. It's pretty much stock. Well, yeah, pretty much stock. So I bought it to, to ride it and maybe flip it. So when I got it, the guy couldn't get it running. He had put this slip-on on it, and then it had to be jetted. And he couldn't figure out the jetting and kind of got himself lost, so he decided to sell the bike. I didn't like the Yosh slip-on because it typically is about that long, out almost past the rear tire. So I basically opened the can, I took all the rivets out, pulled the cap off, went inside, shortened the inside baffle, shortened the packing, put it all back together, re-riveted it. I think it looks a lot better. Definitely going to need to be, it's not all that quiet, it's definitely going to need to be rejetted now. So I bought a kit off eBay, put them all back to baseline, and then looked at what he had modified, then put the kit in. It runs now, so I'll start it in a little bit, probably next video. But I decided while I was in there to clean up, get rid of some of the vacuum leaks. It had a bunch of vacuum leaks in the emission system, and I couldn't find a lot of the parts for the emission system, so I just decided to pull it out for now until I either get them or I'll just leave it this way. I'll just jet it, accordingly. But you can see this is a super clean bike, 11,000 original miles on it. Also, what else did I do to this? I put a quantum fuel pump in it because the pump was going out. That's a good upgrade. It's not that expensive. Bike's got a fender eliminator in it. I'll probably put a Penske shock on it. And if anybody knows anybody that makes these the air intakes in carbon, I want to get rid of the silencer part. So if a carbon cover or just just the intake itself, let me know. Email that to me or text it or put it in the comments. Other than that, new plugs in it, and I'm probably going to change out the mirrors. I might also change out the levers. I don't like these levers, and maybe the master cylinders. So stay tuned. I'll let you know how it runs. That's it. It's a pretty cool bike. If it doesn't run well with the jetting kit, I'll probably put a set of FCRs on it. So I just really don't want to put $2,000 worth of carburetors on a bike that's worth $4,000 or $5,000. So all right, guys, stay tuned. Subscribe, like. Thanks for watching, and check out the second video of it running.